Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're going to start this video off with a little representation of our 2026 Bowman Mega Box. We're going to run through this one today. Shouldn't take too long. The blaster box is alright. We got a reptilian insert, and we also got a red rookie insert in that one. Nothing too crazy. A few of the newer good rookie cards in it. No serialized cards in it, no autos, no nothing like that, but still pretty cool nonetheless. Let's get into this mega box. I haven't had the best luck with these yet, so maybe this will be the box that actually gives me something that's decent this time. Like I said in my last video, we had a pretty big haul from Target. We had the mega box, we had the blaster, we had two of the Chaos Rising Pokemon blister packs, and two of the One Piece, what's that set called? The Time of Battle OP16 set that came out. So let's do this video with 6 packs of the Bowman Mega Box. Wish me luck. Really easy to open. Alright, we got a confetti in there. I wonder if those come in all of them. Alright, we got a Chase DeLauder rookie. Interesting. I don't think I have one of those yet. Alright. So we got that rookie. Here's the print. I forgot what you call these prints, but or foil patterns. Cool though, nonetheless. We got a Aiva Arquette Mega Futures Bowman Chrome here. That's pretty cool. Francisco Espinoza. We got us a Ricardo Cova first Bowman with a cool foil pattern on that one. Digging that. And a Geraldo Perdomo base card. Just like the last video, put everything off to the side for now. Pack 2 out of 6. Henry Lalane, Blake Mitchell, Caden Scarborough, first Bowman. Pete Crow Armstrong in the same pattern. Benetti Azakar, first Bowman. Got one of those already, if not more. Alimber Santa, Riley Green. Nothing crazy out of that one. Pack 3. Walker Janik, Jude Warwick, Jack Caglione rookie foil. Pretty cool. I'm pretty certain I have that card already, but it is what it is. Oh, here we go. Angel Cepeda auto. There we go. It's our second auto from the set. Starting strong here. Gage Jump, first Bowman. Parks Harbor Bowman. Is it first Bowman? First Bowman, yeah. And Bobby Witt Jr. Very cool, very cool. This is pack number 4. Josh Noth? How do you say that? It starts with a K. K-N. Nelly Taylor. We've got a Dari Fernandez, first Bowman Chrome with the pattern. Wyatt Sanford. Bryce Rayner. What is on this card? Justin Gonzalez, first Bowman. Like I need to be checking these for serials on the back, but I don't think they've been doing that with these. So I think I'm probably safe. Yeah, alright. Pack number 5. Jesus Made, or Jesus Made. Shotaro Mori. Christian Moore rookie from the Angels in the foil pattern. Pretty cool. Way off center. Way off center. Max Clark Bowman Sterling. Pretty certain I have one of these already. Cool card though. Gage Stanifer foil. Chrome. Josu DePaula chrome. Not crazy there. Last pack. Pack number 6. Liam Doyle. Eli Willits. Ava Arquette. First Bowman full pattern way off center. Nolan McLean rookie foil. Pretty sure I've already got one of those. Cade Snell. Luis Cova. First Bowman. And a George Springer. Alright, so not bad for that one. We got us an auto out of that box. Let's do a quick recap. I'll highlight some of the better cards as we go through. I'll show you those again. Luis Cova, Cade Snell. We got that Nolan McLean. Pretty cool. Ava Arquette. Josu DePaula. Gage Stanifer. Max Clark. That's a cool Bowman Sterling card there. Very cool pattern. Big fan of that. They're better than the blaster box patterns. Christian Moore rookie. Very cool pattern. Again, the centering is really top heavy. Dari Fernandez. Wyatt Sanford. Bryce Rainier. Justin Gonzalez. Big fan of these patterns in here. Gage Jump. Parks Harbor. Angel Cepeda auto. Very cool pattern. Big fan of that. Pretty cool. Jock Caglione. Rookie. Alimber Santa. Andy Azokar. Pete Crow Armstrong. Caden Scarborough. Ricardo Cova. Francisco Espinoza. Ava Arquette in the Mega Futures foil. And Chase DeLauder rookie. And that's going to be it. Again, not a bad box. This product for Bowman 2026 has been wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. As long as this stuff is on the shelf and I have time and money to come and get those products from that set, I will continue to do so until I tap out and say, I think I've spent a little bit too much money on that. But until then, while it is available, because it's not available for very long or in any other place, I'm just going to keep getting it. Alright, not a bad haul for today. I got to get back to the house, so that's going to be it for today, you guys. Next time, we're going to open up Chaos Rising, 2 of the blister packs, and we're going to open up 2 of the OP16 one-piece, the Time of Battle blister packs. But for now, that's it for me. I'm out, guys. Later.